Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Renfrow, and today we're going to be using one of my favorite math websites for just some fun educational games. It's called Fun Brain, and they have a new game this summer that is Math Baseball. So I think this would be a great one to incorporate into my elementary education class. You can select the grade level, and up at the top it will tell you which one you're at. I just selected K through 5 for this demonstration. And so this is really fun. If you have enough students, you could actually divide your class maybe into teams, and you can set it up as two teams to play against each other. Makes it a little bit more fun for certain grades. But it's just gives you a simple subtraction or addition. You can do multiplication, division as well. There's also for middle school, upper grade levels, and algebra, yes or no, how you want the equations to be. And so you just see what your equation is. This would be great to do up on your smartboard, obviously, so it would be nice and big and your whole class can see it. Here's your ball field right here. You have a student put in their answer and they get to swing. And then if you got it right, it tells you what your move is on the playing field. So this scored a double, so then you can see now your runner is on second. If you put in the incorrect answer, then you get an out. And so obviously three outs, and it's the next team's turn to bat. So you can keep track of your runs and your outs right up here at the top. You can also change your difficulty level to be harder if they're too easy for your students. And then if those get too difficult, you can switch back down. So that way you don't get stagnant throughout the game, and you can keep it going without having to restart every time.